The defense world was rocked when Indonesia, a key partner in South Korea's KF-21 Boramae fighter jet program, slashed its financial commitment. Jakarta cut its promised contribution from $1.3 billion to just $440 million, throwing the project's finances into turmoil. This isn't just a budget cut, it's a major fracture in a partnership once seen as a model for international defense cooperation. Now South Korea is left shouldering the cost, facing a future where its main partner has nearly walked away. Without a stable partnership, South Korea's dream of making the KF-21 a global success story is suddenly in jeopardy. In 2010, South Korea and Indonesia joined forces to develop the KF-21 fighter jet. South Korea aimed to boost its defense industry, while Indonesia sought to modernize its air force and gain aerospace expertise. Indonesia pledged 20% of the $6.5 billion cost for technology access and local production. Engineers from both nations worked side by side, sharing knowledge and skills. But as payment delays emerged, the alliance faced new challenges. Indonesia's drastic funding cut has shattered trust in the KF-21 partnership. By capping its contribution, Indonesia leaves a $900 million gap just as the project moves to mass production. Fewer jets will be ordered, raising per-unit costs and threatening the project's future. The KF-21 Boramae is more than a fighter jet. It's a symbol of South Korea's ambition and technological achievement. Developing this 4.5-generation fighter places Korea among advanced nations and boosts defense autonomy. The Boramae, meaning young hawk, is a source of national pride and seen as a guardian of Korean skies. A committed partner is vital to secure the KF-21's place in the global defense market. With Indonesia stepping back, the KF-21 program faces real turbulence. The $900 million funding gap could delay production or drain other defense priorities. The public split shakes confidence among potential buyers. The future of the KF-21 depends on decisive action now. To stabilize the KF-21 program, South Korea needs a new partner, one with urgent defense needs and strategic alignment. The Philippines stands out as the logical choice. It needs modern fighters to defend its vast maritime territory and already operates South Korean military hardware. The timing is ideal. South Korea needs a buyer, and the Philippines needs a modern air force. Their interests are converging at the perfect moment. The case for a South Korea-Philippines KF-21 partnership is built on proven success. In 2014, the Philippines acquired 12 FA-50 light combat aircraft from Korea Aerospace Industries, restoring its supersonic capability. The FA-50s have performed well in combat and training, earning praise for reliability and support. This experience has built deep trust between the two countries. The Philippine Air Force is already familiar with KI's systems, making the transition to the KF-21 seamless. Shared design heritage means easier training and maintenance. South Korea's track record gives it a clear edge over competitors. For the Philippines, upgrading to the KF-21 is a logical next step, not a risky leap. Acquiring the KF-21 would transform the Philippine Air Force, moving it into the realm of true multirole fighters. The jet's range and payload would allow extended patrols over the West Philippine Sea, with more firepower than ever before. Advanced sensors and radar would give the Philippines a decisive edge in air defense. The KF-21's arsenal of precision-guided munitions would provide a credible deterrent against maritime threats. This capability would shift the regional security balance, strengthening the Philippines' ability to defend its territory. A partnership could also bring industrial benefits, local assembly, maintenance, and skilled jobs. It's a step toward greater self-reliance and a modern air force. The KF-21 offers the Philippines both security and economic opportunity. The South Korea-Philippines KF-21 partnership is more than a funding fix. It's a chance to reshape Southeast Asia's security landscape. For South Korea, it stabilizes the project and proves Boramae's global appeal. For the Philippines, it unlocks modern air defense and strengthens sovereignty. The Young Hawk's new flight path could shape the region's future.